The cleaning equipment itself needs to be kept clean so that it can do its job properly and doesn't recontaminate surfaces. Reusable cloths are okay as long as they are kept clean and laundered or sanitised daily, so ensure you have plenty available. Disposable paper towels are really useful for dirty jobs like wiping up raw meat juices or for the final sanitising wipe. Ensure you keep kitchen cloths separate from other cloths, for example those used on outside tables, so that you don't bring contaminants like bird poo into the kitchen. You must use different equipment for different areas such as bathrooms. You could try colour coding the different equipment to ensure everyone knows which to use where. If you are using bulk concentrates that you decant into spray bottles, ensure you dilute the products correctly according to the instructions on the label. Use a dedicated measuring cup or some way of measuring the correct amount into your spray bottle, and then label all the spray bottles clearly with their contents. Store chemicals away from food, ideally in a separate cleaning cupboard or under the sink or at least on the bottom shelf so that they don't drip or leak onto foods.